Alright, hi guys. So we're here today to teach you how to make slime using one of the Wonder Connection kits. And I've got Clara here helping me today. She's a little camera shy, but you'll see her soon enough. So Clara, I'd like you to go ahead and just open up this kit for me. And then let's see what's in there. Alright, so I think, Clara, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is carefully take some of this water and pour it into the little cup that has the color tablet in it, and you can fill that about halfway. So go ahead and do that. Pour, and let's stop there. I think it should be a red color tablet, so I think if we leave it for a long time it'll get darker and darker. It's up to you. If you like a nice light color, then you could take out that tablet now and it would just be a nice kind of light pink. If you wanted it to get darker, you just leave it for longer. What do you want? You want it to be pink? Alright, so I'm just going to actually use my fingers and I'm going to dip them in. Take that out. Next step, which is to take the glue, is going to pour it all into the bowl for us. Alright, so now we've got just our glue in the bowl. We want to add some color to make it look nice and vibrant, so I'm going to ask you to take your pink and just dump all that pink water in there with your glue. There we go, great job. And then you can take your popsicle stick and give that a good stir. Yeah, great job. Okay, I think that's ready. So we've made one mixture here, so if we remember, we've got glue and water, we put a bit of color in there. So we're going to just take that and we're going to put it aside for a second. We're going to just pour quite a lot of water into this cup till it's kind of 3/4 of the way full, I would say. There we go. And now if you could take your borax and just open that up and dump all of it into that cup of water. Okay, so Clara has poured all of the borax into this little cup. Now take your pipette and just give it a good stir up. Okay, so once you've stirred it all up, you're going to use the pipette to suck up the water and then squirt it into our glue mixture. You want to do that? So when you do that, I want you to not stick it all the way down to the bottom because we don't want those little crystally bits in there. So just stick it in the water a little bit and suck your water up from there. Alright, try that. Put it a little bit, squeeze that, go, good job. I want you to squirt it all around, so do little drops, make sure we're getting it everywhere. And so I think you've done 2, let's do 2 more. So we'll call that 4 nice big squirts from the pipette into the glue with our borax activator. And then once we've done 4 of them, we are going to give it a good stir up and just see if it's started to do its magic and turn into slime. So if it's not really getting slimy yet, we probably need a little bit more borax. So I think we put 4 squirts in last time. Let's put in some more squirts. Okay, so we've got our slime to all come together nicely, but like I was saying, it's still super sticky, so what we're going to do is we're going to take it out and put it on our table. You want to help with that? Alright, but it's sticky, right? So just carefully kind of get it out. And think carefully about where you're going to do this, so don't do it on like a carpet or a towel or anything like that, because it's going to get stuck. You want to do it on a nice smooth surface like this wooden table, or maybe a plastic surface would be good. Just get it all out of the bowl like that. I'm going to show everybody this little trick that I like to use. So what I do now is I get that borax mixture that we were using before, but instead of using my pipette, I just dip my fingers in there and I just rub that over the top. You want to try that? And then I flip it over like a pancake, and yeah, just like that, we just get that borax kneaded up together. There we go. So Clara looks pretty happy with that slime. So there we go, that's how you do it. That's how you make slime using one of our Wonder Connection kits. We hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing the slime that you guys make.